In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up recurring vendor payments in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner trying to streamline your accounting processes or just looking to automate payments for efficiency, setting up recurring vendor payments can save you a lot of time and hassle. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your QuickBooks Online account. Begin by clicking on the Sign In button. It's a good idea to ensure you're using a secure network, especially if you're logging in with sensitive financial data. Next, once you're on the login screen, select QuickBooks Online from the available options. This ensures that you're directed to the right platform, as Intuit offers various financial management tools. Now, it's time to enter your credentials. Type in your username and password and then click Continue. If you have two-factor authentication set up, you'll be prompted to confirm your identity, which adds an extra layer of security to your financial information. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Expenses section on the left-hand menu. This tab is where you manage all your financial outflows and is essential for keeping track of your payments to vendors. In the Expenses section, you're going to need to click on Bills. It might be grouped with other options like Suppliers or Payments, but Bills is your stop today. When you're in the Bills section, look for a small drop-down menu next to Add Bill. This menu holds additional options for more tailored actions in your payment process. From the drop-down, select Create Recurring Bill. This is where you'll set up the recurring payment schedule, ensuring that payments are made automatically without needing authorization each time. Now enter the template name. The template name is just an easy way for you or anyone in your company to identify this specific recurring payment setup. Under Type, select Scheduled. This will allow you to set a specific interval for when you want these bills to be automatically created and processed. You'll also need to specify how many days in advance the bill should be created. This helps with cash flow management, giving you ample time before the bill is officially due. Next, choose your vendor from the list. This is the company or individual you will be paying on a recurring basis. After selecting your vendor, set the interval for the payments. Depending on your agreement with your vendor, you may choose weekly, monthly, or any other available period. You also need to specify both a start and an end date for these recurring payments. This can be an indefinite schedule or have an end date correlating with the expiration of a contract. Don't forget to add the category to which this payment belongs. It could be utilities, rent, or any other applicable category in your accounting system. Enter the amount you will be paying. Be precise here, as this ensures the correct amount is processed each time. If needed, add a customer name for whom the expense is associated. This is useful for businesses that need to bill back payments or maintain detailed cost tracking. Finally, click on Save Template. This action confirms and saves all your settings, putting your recurring vendor payments in effect. And that's it. You've now successfully set up recurring vendor payments in QuickBooks Online. With these automated transactions, you can spend less time worrying about due dates and more time focusing on what really matters in your business. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check back for more helpful QuickBooks tips.